Over 400 of our sellers are doing over $1 million in the inner circle. Seller Systems is growing, and we are going to be bringing in other experts for other marketplaces where we can offer you content and additional support. So TikTok is by far the most hot and talked about thing besides AI for Amazon sellers. Amazon sellers are looking for opportunities to expand off of Amazon, to diversify their risk, to increase their overall profitability. And so what we're going to do is bring in additional experts that teach content around how you can build up those other channels. And that includes Shopify, TikTok, Shein, Temu, other marketplaces where we are going to talk about how you can run those outside ads, social media ads into those other places, working with influencers. We have many mastermind groups that have seen major success among the students. So these members are getting together and sharing in a more intimate way, and they're driving and holding each other accountable. We're going to do more of that. Now, in order to do all this, we have to grow the team, and it's going to increase the cost. We've already done that pretty significantly, and we've avoided raising prices over the last 4 years. There are other communities out there that are just communities, and they have, they charge $7,000 or $10,000, $25,000. And then there's other courses out there where they are just courses, but they're not as good as us, and they're charging 10,000 or more. So what I want to do is just raise it slightly. I'm not trying to make more money teaching than I am selling. That's always been true of me. So what I'm trying to do is just raise it by $1,000. So what does that mean? That means currently it's $3,000 for the first year. It's going to go to $4,000. And instead of $1,000 to renew every year, it's going to go to $2,000. Now, the success rate of our members is really high. We have over a 60% renew rate, and over 400 of our sellers are doing over $1 million in the inner circle. We have 200 hours of course content in there, and we're going to be redoing it all. That's one of the reasons for the new setup and the new studio. So along with the content, you're going to get a working document with a step-by-step guide on how to deal with everything from product ideation and product design and assessment and niche assessment, sourcing, logistics, content creation, and scaling and marketing and pay-per-click, growing your team and scaling your team. Now, if you're already a member, you can still lock in the better pricing, and you're going to be grandfathered in for the next 3 years on your renewal rate. So instead of paying $2,000 to renew, you will continue to pay $1,000 to renew for at least the next 3 years. And if you sign up, if you haven't been a member yet and you're already selling, you definitely should be. It's by far the best community and best course out there. But if you're thinking about selling, make sure it's right for you first. Go watch that free class. If you're not going to do anything with the content that we show you or teach you with your Amazon business, if you're not going to do anything with it, don't sign up. I don't need your money. Don't want you to join and not do anything. But if you're serious about starting an Amazon brand, or if you're already selling, you definitely should join right now before we raise those prices so you can get grandfathered in as well. Thank you for trusting me if you're already a member. If you're not, you should be. Looking forward to seeing you on the inside. I'll be traveling to New York, New Jersey, Las Vegas, and Seattle over the next few months. Hopefully I'll see you guys in one of those cities, and we'll see you there. Take care.